Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Phlim khasi kabala ai kerteng Lyngkha Bneng the Elysian Field kabala yo rinsan hakatamasa pen Phlim bahe jong ka perthei ka 47 Mosow International Film Festival arja apusan kala yo ra ru ka Khusnam net bag jury award kum ka best Asian film ka jing sarong ka bakham kraw shu shu ekan ka film kalong ru bakala yo ka Khusnam best film but best director haka main competition jong ani ka tamasa pen Phlim ka bahe jong ka perthei ka Mosow International Film Festival arja apusan Kajing yo kani ka Phlim ya kani ki Khusnam ki bahe ka dei halor kajing tebet ka khana bat kajing nang ban ring dur namar kani ka Phlim kala la ban pen iya ki dur jongka ya kajing em bat kajing yap lingba ka tien poetry ka ba pen itanat shu shu ya kani ka Phlim la pen bit pen biang do uba pradim kurba ubadei uwei ni kinong shna Phlim ba pau jong ka jila bat la pen mi ya kani ka Phlim da ka kurba films haringkat kajing kershan na ka Hello Meghalaya ka Pomas New Horizon ka Knup Creative bat Cat and Mouse Entertainment Bat kiting shop ki puran ki bedan bentah kan ka Phlim ki long uba Richard Karpuri, ka Helena Duya, ka Baya Marbanyang, u Albert Mauri, u Melvin Mukhim, bat kiwe. Laban kedo bakani ka 47 Mosow International Film Festival, ka long harasya na do ka khatnyo tarik, do ka arpusaw tarik menta ubnai.
I would like to dedicate this award to my team, my artists who have been behind this. I think it's not a director cannot make a film without a beautiful team. I think this award goes to the team that who has been supportive and who's been behind this film. And also I would like to thank my wife, my children, and today is my eldest son's birthday. I think this is a great gift for him. Thank my mom.
Bravo!
And above all, I thank a person who actually have been so supportive with this film, because it took me almost like 4 years to complete the film, and before I could start the film, actually I lost him. That's my dad, and this is for you.
Спасибо. Спасибо ушел мой отец. Это тебе.
Also thank you to the programming team of Mosow International Film Festival. Actually, I think your selection have made this day for me to be standing here. Thank you so much, Mosow International Festival. Thank you so much to all of you, the lovely audience, and thank you to the jury.
И спасибо большое всем отборщикам, спасибо моим коллегам, спасибо за то, что у меня не выпало шанс стоять сегодня на этой сцене.
Поздравляем. За лучший фильм. И я приглашаю для вручения председателя жюри основного конкурса 47-го Московского международного кинофестиваля Луиса.